We at F+U Academy of Languages believe that it should be easy to learn German all around the world. That's why we use the video communication service Zoom for our virtual classrooms. You can download Zoom as a mobile app or a desktop app. All you need to join class is a stable internet connection and a mobile phone, computer, or tablet with a camera and a headset. Joining class with Zoom is easy. No matter where you are or what time it is, you are just one click away from your teacher. Thanks to high video and audio quality, you feel as if you're in the same room. In class, you learn all the skills you need to become fluent in German: grammar, listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Quality teaching is important to us, which is why our teachers are qualified native speakers. This allows you to become familiar with authentic language use right from the start. Our teachers are looking forward to meeting you online.
Hallo, ich bin Jasmin. Ihr könnt mit uns Muttersprachlern Deutsch auf einem sehr hohen Niveau lernen.
Hallo, ich bin Till. Mit uns könnt ihr eure Unterrichtsstunden immer ganz flexibel planen.
Hallo, ich bin Caroline. Durch Zoom können wir zusammen lernen. Ihr braucht nicht extra nach Deutschland zu kommen. Wir freuen uns auf euch.
Start your online German course now.